because they're all equivalent. On 9, it says find negative radical 81. Don't miss this, okay, guys? This is too easy. Negative comes straight down, and radical 81 is just 9. The negative has to be there, so do not forget about that negative if there is one. On number 10, it says to determine if the relation is a function. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 0, 1, 2, and 3 for my x's or my domain. I have negative 4, 0, 3, and 5 for my range. So I check this with my ovals. 0, 1, 2, 3 is my x. My y, I have negative 4, 0, 3, and 5. 0 goes to negative 4. 1 goes to 0. 2 goes to 3. 3 goes to 5. Yes, this is a function because every input has exactly one output. Remember, in my ovals, I don't show more than one of the same digit, okay? So if I had 0, 0, I would have only showed 0 one time, okay? Don't forget that. On number 11, it wants us to solve, and we're solving for C in this case. So I have C here and C here, and I want to get it by itself. So the first thing I want to do is I want to simplify this side of the equation. I want it to be everything as simple as possible, like terms combined if I have them. And since I have C in two separate terms, I definitely have some like terms. I'm going to take 26C minus 24C. And when I do that, I get 2C. 26 minus 24 is 2. C stays the same. Drop down my 38, my positive 38, equals 48. Trying to get C by itself. So I'm going to move this 38 over. So I'm going to subtract 38 because it was being added. When I do that, I have 2C equals 10. To get C by itself now, I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So C is equal to 5. That's my final answer. Whenever you do this, you can always plug it back in and check. Okay, multiply, add, multiply, subtract them, and then see if you get 48 as your answer. Check your work. There's nothing wrong with that. On 12, we are solving for A. Okay. So on this one, I need A all on the same side before I can solve for it. And since A is almost by itself here, I'm going to move this one over. So I'm going to say minus 2A. What I do to one side, I've got to do to the other. I get a negative 8. 3A minus 2A is equal to just A. And now that's my final answer. A is equal to negative 8. Okay.